In this chapter we will discuss the examination of the head and neck. So we start with the eyes. The upper eyelid covers part of the iris but not the pupils. And we look for symmetry of the eyelids. We inspect the conjunctiva and the sclera by depressing the lower lids by our thumbs, which I will do this. And now we look for the conjunctiva and the sclera. Is there signs of infection? Is it reddened? We also look for the pupils. So which is the size of the pupils? Are they large or small, less than 3 millimeters? What is the shape of the pupils? Are they completely round? Are they symmetrical on the same size on the right and on the left side? If this is not the case, the different sizes, it's called anisocoria. Then we check the pupillary reaction to light. So we ask the patient, can you look at the wall? We are checking the direct reaction to light and the consensual reaction to light. So direct pupillary reaction, we will do it that way. It's a constriction and I can check it on both sides. This is a direct reaction of the same eye to light. And we can also note a constriction of the other eye when I'm using light here on this side. So on the right side there is a constriction of the pupils. Look for the movements of the eyes. So we can also use a pencil, for example, or here my lamp. Follow the lamp up and down. It's like an H, up and down. I can also check for convergence. Look at the lamp. So it's completely symmetrical. He can follow the light, the lamp. The next step is the examination of the visual field. Then we have to change the position of our patient. Can you sit up? So now I'm examining if the patient has a normal visual field. And I ask the patient, can you look at my nose? And please tell me which side do I have my fingers moving? Both. So this is one way. I can also ask the patient, look at my nose and please tell me when do you see my hand? Now?
No. Yeah.
Okay.
No.
Okay. It's also possible to examine the visual field of one eye. So if there's a suspicion that the patient has a problem with the visual field, so I will ask the patient, can you look at my nose and can you cover your right eye? Yes. So I'm covering also my eye, look at my nose, and tell me when you see my fingers.
No. No.
Look at my nose.
No. No.
So it's quite easy, and of course you can do it the other way around. Can you cover your left eye? Tell me when you see my fingers.
No. And no. No.
So it makes it very easy to see. I compare my visual field with his visual field, so that makes it easier to determine if everything is okay.